In a suburban city, a comptroller and an elected official misappropriated hundreds of thousands of dollars of city revenue for personal use and a re-election campaign. When a whistleblower alerted authorities, the investigation began. But with over 4,500 transactions and check images to analyze, the process was slow and laborious. That's when they turned to ScanWriter, a software that streamlines the investigation process and provides visualizations of patterns, activities, and relationships. ScanWriter's data capture and analytics feature processed the vast amount of data in just 4 hours, converting it to an organized Excel spreadsheet with dates, descriptions, amounts, and more in assigned columns. Investigators used ScanWriter's customizable spreadsheet categories to create columns for monies going to specific names and accounts. ScanWriter's case manager made it possible for various departments and stakeholders to communicate, share insights, and track developments in real time, streamlining the investigation and facilitating prosecution. ScanWriter's data visualization feature enriched the data into dynamic visuals that prompted analysis by finding links and connections that illustrated where the money came from, where it went, and how it was spent. Thanks to ScanWriter's quick and precise automation, the embezzlement charges were filed and the case won in record time, restoring confidence in government agencies and procedures. ScanWriter is an all-in-one software package for data capture and analytics trusted by many district attorneys, forensic accountants, and fraud investigators across the U.S. With 100% accuracy, exceptionally high processing speeds, automatic visualization of financial models, and easily accessible customer support, ScanWriter can boost productivity and effectiveness for any organization facing a similar challenge.